Welcome back to another video, guys. So I took this sell trade on C500 index and they're moving in good profits. The signal was shared. It's not be long I took this sell trade, so I'm expecting more sales. Basically, I'm still expecting more sales on this index. So what's my view on this trade? What's my market analysis? How do I know the market is going to sell from this zone? So coming to the higher time frame, as always do, I start from the higher time frame whenever I want to analyze the market. It can be the weekly time frame, it can be the monthly time frame, and it can be the daily time frame. So here I started from the weekly time frame on C500 index. So here on the weekly time frame, you can see the overall market structure. That's the first thing I do. Whenever I go to the higher time frame, I spot or identify the overall market structure. So we can see that this index has been in a downtrend for a very long time now, creating lower highs and lower lows, heading to the downside. So identify this market structure, and next thing I do is to spot the market levels and zones. So firstly, we got this level as a zone, as an important level, a key level basically, because we got price buy and sell on this level as a support and as a resistance. So this level can be termed as a key level, as an important zone, a level to watch out for, because if price can approach this level later on, you're likely to get a market reaction on this level. So we got this level identified, and we had another level as well at this point. So I spotted this level 2. This is a key level. Price stood from as a resistance, 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 resistance. So this is an important level which also identified. So let's spot more levels. So we have the next level at this point. Price sold from as a price bought from here, as a support, broke below it, retested it as a resistance. We got the sell to the downside, broke above it here, sold back to the downside. So we have another level as well at this point. Right, we got price buy from here as a support, the reaction on this level, price sold to the downside. So coming to the daily time frame, after spotting the market levels and zones and market structure on the weekly time frame, the next thing I do is to go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame on this index, we can see that this index has been choppy for a very long time, right? Though it's been trading to the downside, but it's been giving these choppy moves. So I also have to identify this market structure. The market trend is down, and we have our levels and zones as well, which we also have to identify. So we got this market trend here. We got this market trend. This is the downtrend. And next thing I do is to spot the levels of this market structure. So we got this level as a key level, a level of support on the day time frame, and this level as well as a level of resistance, because you can see that we got price. This is a key level, would say, because price bought and sold on this level. Let's spot the market reactions on this level. Firstly, we got price buy from here as a support. The support at this point. The first buys here, the second buys at this level, the third buys. Though we didn't get a clear buy here because price broke below this level, then pushed back inside of it. So we can also say that this is a level of support because we still got price reject on the approach of this level, right? So we have this level 2 as a level of support. The third time there was the break below this level, break and retest of it as a level of support, broke returned resistance. We got the retest here, price sold to the downside. We got price buy from this level as well as a support, a resistance here, a resistance at this zone, because we got price break and retest this level, then give the sales to the downside. So this is a level of resistance. We got this level 2, price reactions on this level as a resistance, price sold on the approach of this level. So after spotting this market structure, I identified the market trend, the market formation, which we got here. So we got another level as well, a current market level, a level we should pay attention to, each price is actually reacting on. So we can see that we had this level as a level of support previously. This is a historical support level, which price bought from, right, pushed to the upside, came back to this level, got a couple of market reactions on this level before price broke below it. So we got the break below this level, the retest on it, the sell to the downside. Now currently market is still reacting on this level as a resistance because we got price buy from this level previously as a support. Now we're getting the retest on it as a resistance, and we're likely to get more sells basically. So I went to the 4-hour time frame and had my levels spotted as well. This trend market structure, this market trend has been identified, and we've seen that this trend is in a downtrend. Market is creating lower highs and lower lows, which is a clear downtrend structure. So I got the market identified, I got the levels and zones on this market trend identified. So we got the first and the second test of this trend resistance. The first test and the second test, and we're getting a dead test at this point, which the sales is expected from, because we've got multiple attempts on this level which price has failed to test this trend resistance. Now we're getting price test this trend resistance at this point, so I'm expecting price to sell. I'm expecting market to sell from this identified level to the downside. So I got my sales at this zone, right? So we had the first, the second, and third test of our trend resistance, and we got our trend support at this point as well. The first buy is here as a trend support, the buy as a support trend. The first and second buy at this point, right? Let's extend this thing. Market tried to give the third test on this level, but didn't really get a clear test of this level, so we are getting the second test here. So the third test expected from this current price level to the downside. That's what we're expecting this. So coming to the 1 hour time frame, how I was able to get my entry. So I had this level identified, this blue line. Basically, I knew that we got market reject on this level a couple of times, though we've not been having clear market reactions on this level, but you can still see that we've been getting price react whenever it approaches this level. So we're likely to get the sells here to the downside. So I took my sell entry. I had my first entry at this point. It can be seen clearly on the lower time frame, on the 15-minute time frame. Basically, I had my first entry here and already in profit, and I'm getting my second entry at this point. And here we got a reversal pattern formation, a head and shoulders pattern formation, which is a bearish reversal pattern formation, which also gave me the buy confluence, which gave me the buy idea on this trade. So I took my sells here. We had this pattern formation. This is the left shoulder here, right? And we got the head at this point. Basically, we got the head formation at this level, and here we got the right shoulder formation here. This is a head and shoulders pattern formation, a bearish reversal pattern formation. So I had my entry on the break of this neckline, so I took my sells here. More sales expected. Basically, I had my second entry at this point, so the sales expected in the coming hours and days on crash 500 index. So I'll be having my first TP level, my first take profit level at this point. My first TP would be at this level, my second TP would be here, right? And my third TP would definitely be at this last swing low we got at this zone. So that's my view and market analysis on C500 index. That's how I was able to take the sell trade. This signal was shared to my premium members. So that's it, guys. Smash like button for more trade review like and market analysis. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. To my tiny viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging in my videos. Let me slot, guys. Let's do more and have an awful day.